Let's start with the network scanners. This is a simple example of a port scanner using Python's built-in socket library. This program attempts to connect to a range of ports on a target machine and identifies whether these ports are open or closed. As always, you should only run this on machines where you have permission to do so. As ethical hackers, we often need to identify open ports, active devices, or services running on a server. This process is crucial for vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple port scanner using Python. This tool will try to establish a connection to a range of ports on a target machine and determine whether these ports are open or closed. Our tool is using Python's built-in socket library, which allows us to create network sockets and control network-related tasks. In our code, the function scan_ports takes an IP address and a range of ports to scan. It then creates a new socket for each port and attempts to connect to that port on the target machine. If the connection attempt is successful, the port is considered open, and we print this information on the screen. The setTimeout1 function allows us to avoid waiting for a long time when trying to connect to a closed port. Remember, ethical hacking means that all testing and scanning should be performed on systems where you have obtained express permission. Unauthorized scanning can be illegal and unethical. In our next video, we'll continue on this journey, providing you with more insights into the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Stay tuned, and as always, happy coding!